Hi, welcome back to Steve's Shed. I'm Steve. Today we're meant to be filming the second part of the Mk2 Cortina exhaust, but turns out my neighbour's needs are greater than mine. Ollie from across the roads knocked on the door yesterday and asked if I could take a look at his car. Gone round to take a little look at his car and basically the back box has completely fallen off. What doesn't help is that he's actually got the MOT booked in tomorrow, so we're going to see if we can weld some thin air together and get it through the MOT. Right then, so here's the problem. One back box, one midsection, and a little bit of an air gap. So let's see what we can do about this. But the first thing we're going to have to do is try and remove this rusty clamp here, which I think I'm going to have to cut off. So now with the exhaust off the car, I'm going to try and save this clamp because it's the bank holiday weekend and unfortunately nothing is open, so we're not able to get anything to replace it at the moment. So I'm going to see if I can drill it out there and either cut it off or drill it out on the other side so I can get a nut and bolt through it when we put it back on the car. Alright, so with the best will in the world, I think that's where it should go. So I'm just going to get a pen and mark it up. I'm doing this now because if I take too much material away when I clean it up, I'll never ever be able to line it up again. So let's put this on the grinder and see what we've got left. So what I'm trying to do here, because there's no material to weld straight to, I'm trying to make a bead on the back side, on the silencer side, and then do another bead in a second on the bit that snapped off, and then I'll go over again with go over it again hot, and hopefully it'll be nice and secure then. Right, and there we go, look. That's all I wanted. Would have been easier to go to Halfords, but you got to do what you got to do, haven't you? Exhaust rubbers, man's best friend. Yeah. Jobbed. Right then, well, that's the car back on the ground. I'm now filthy, and I think that's enough for Steve's shed this week, so take it easy.